DCC Adaptive Chassis Control, for an individual driving experience. With DCC Adaptive Chassis Control, your Volkswagen finds the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Adaptive damper control minimizes unwanted rolling and pitching movements of the vehicle, maximizing your driving pleasure. The vehicle's driving characteristics can be adapted to your needs. This includes, for example, a noticeably smoother ride on uneven road surfaces. You can switch from the sporty dynamic mode to comfort mode at any time. Adaptive damper control uses sensors to read the road surface and the driving situation. The system uses these data to adjust the damping for each individual wheel 1,000 times a second, faster than the blink of an eye. If you want, you can even adjust your driving experience incrementally in the individual menu. Your individual driving experience in every driving situation with Volkswagen's DCC Adaptive Chassis Control.
Volkswagen.